Let alpha comma beta two real numbers such that sum of real numbers and alpha plus beta equal to 1 and alpha into beta equal to minus 1. Let Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Pn minus 1 equal to 11, Pn plus 1 equal to 29. For some integer n greater than or equal to 1. Then find Pn square. Now solution: alpha comma beta are roots of the quadratic equation is x square minus of sum of roots alpha plus beta into x plus product of roots alpha beta equal to 0. That implies x square minus 1 into x plus alpha into beta value is minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x square minus x 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Alpha comma beta are roots of this equation. Okay. Alpha comma beta are roots of equation number 1. That implies alpha square minus alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Alpha is substituted in equation number 1. Okay, that implies alpha square equal to alpha plus 1. Okay, that implies alpha square equal to alpha power 1 plus alpha power 0. Any power 0 is 1. This can be written as Pn plus 1, alpha power n plus 1. Alpha power n plus 1 equal to alpha power n plus alpha power n minus 1. N equal to 1, you can substitute n equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, beta is a root of equation number 1. That can be written as beta square minus beta minus 1 equal to 0. That implies beta square is equal to beta power 1 minus plus 1. That implies beta square equal to beta power 1 plus beta power 0. This can be written as beta power n plus 1 equal to beta power n plus beta power n minus 1. Beta power n minus 1. Alpha power n plus 1 plus beta power n plus 1 is equal to LHS plus LHS is equal to RHS plus RHS. Alpha power n plus beta power n plus alpha power n minus 1 plus beta power n minus 1. Are you understood? Okay. Now, Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. This can be written as Pn plus 1 is equal to Pn. This is Pn minus 1. Pn minus 1 value is 11. Pn plus 1 value is 29. 29 equal to Pn plus 11. That implies Pn is equal to 29 minus 11. That implies Pn equal to 18. If you want Pn square, Pn square equal to 18 square, that is 324. That's enough. Okay. Now another question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 5 root 2x plus 10 equal to 0, alpha is greater than beta and Pn is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n for each positive integer n, then P17 P17 into P20 plus 5 root 2 into P17 P19 by P18 P19 plus 5 root 2 P18 square is equal to, if you find this value. Okay, alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. So alpha is substituted in equation number 1. Let x square plus 5 root 2x plus 10 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Alpha comma beta are the roots of equation number 1. Alpha comma beta substitute in equation number 1. 1 implies alpha square plus 5 root 2 alpha plus 10 equal to 0. This can be written as alpha square, alpha square plus 5 root 2 alpha is equal to minus 10. Alpha is common. alpha plus 5 root 2 is equal to minus 10. That implies alpha plus 5 root 2 is equal to minus 10 by alpha. Okay, beta is also root of equation number 1. 1 implies beta square plus 5 root 2 beta plus 10 equal to 0. That implies beta square plus 5 root 2 beta is equal to minus 10. Here beta common, beta plus 5 root 2 is equal to minus 10. Beta plus 5 root 2 equal to minus 10 by beta. Okay, Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Okay, if you find P17, P20 plus 5 root 2 into P17, P19 upon P18, P19 plus 5 root 2 into P18 square. In numerator P17 common, remaining P20 plus 5 root 2 P19. In denominator P18 common, P19 plus 5 root 2 P18. Okay, Pn is equal here, since Pn is equal to alpha power n plus alpha power n minus beta power n. Okay, P20 means alpha power 20 minus beta power 20. P19 equal to alpha power 19 minus beta power 19. P18 equal to alpha power 18 minus beta power 18. This can be written as P17 into alpha power 20 minus beta power 20 plus 5 root 2 into alpha power 19 minus beta power 19. In denominator, P power 18 into alpha power 19 minus beta power 19 plus 5 root 2 into alpha power 18 minus beta power 18. Alpha power 20 minus beta power 20 plus 5 root 2 into alpha power 19 minus beta power 19. In denominator, P18 into alpha power 19 minus beta power 19 plus 5 root 2 into alpha power 18 minus beta power 18. P17 into here alpha power 20 plus 5 root 2 alpha power 19. Alpha power 19 common. Remaining here alpha, here only 5 root 2. Okay, minus beta power 20 plus 5 root 2 into minus beta power 19. Minus beta power 19 common. Here plus beta, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus beta power 90 into beta, beta power 20. Here plus 5 root 2. 5 root 2 plus into minus minus 5 root 2 into beta power 90. In denominator, p power 18 into, here also same, p power 18 common, p power 18, here p power 9, p power 18 common, alpha plus 5 root 2 minus beta power 18 common, beta plus 5 root 2. Okay, here P17 into alpha power 19. Alpha plus 5 root 2 is minus 10 by alpha. Minus beta power 19. Beta plus 5 root 2 also minus 10 by beta. In denominator, P18 into alpha power 18 into minus 10 by alpha minus beta power 18 into minus 10 by beta. Okay, one time cancel here 18 times. Here one time cancel 18 times is the same. Similarly 17. Here also 17. P17 into here minus 10, here minus 10. Minus 10 common. Alpha power 18 minus beta power 18. Here also denominator also minus 10 common. Alpha power 17 minus beta power 17. Minus 10 cancel. That is equal to p power 17 into alpha power n is Pn is equal to alpha power n plus beta alpha power n minus beta power n. Alpha power 18 minus beta power 18 is P18. P17 into P18 by P18 into, this is alpha power 17 minus beta power 17, P17. Alpha power n minus beta power n is Pn. Okay, 17, P17, P17, P18, P18 cancel. This answer is 1. That's enough.